Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable remote desktop on the PC and create or verify a user account with a password. Once done, make sure you know the PC IP or hostname and whether you're on the same LAN or using a VPN. Install Microsoft Remote Desktop or a trusted RDP client from the Play Store and grant it network and storage permissions. You'll use these details immediately when creating a new connection profile in the app, so keep them visible. You now create and tune the connection. Add a new desktop, type the PC IP or hostname, and save your username and password securely in the app. Then adjust display resolution, scaling, clipboard sharing, and sound redirection so the session feels responsive. Lower resolution for slow networks. If your environment needs an RD gateway or VPN, configure that next. Enter gateway hostname and credentials. Make sure to test a local LAN session. First, to confirm you're ready to connect, open the saved profile, accept any certificate warnings if you trust the host, and sign in. Once connected, finalize by arranging multi-window or full screen and test clipboard, file transfer, and audio. If performance lags, change to a lower resolution, limit frame rate, or enable compression. These tweaks help mobile bandwidth. If it fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify the PC IP and that port 3389 isn't blocked by a firewall or ISP. Also confirm VPN.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.